Y'all can't tell me shit. Cause it's just like wet lace, bro. Like, where is it? Where the fuck is my lace? But I don't know. I don't see it nowhere. Hello.
I love the way she wear her hair, lace fronts and all. I love the way she make them stare, do makeup and all. She do hair, she lashes, all kind of shit. Hope you can keep it real.
Okay guys, so this is the wig from my last video. If you haven't seen my last video where I brought this wig back to life, go check that out. So today, really quick, I'm just about to be showing y'all how I applied this wig. I plucked my lace off camera. If y'all want me to do a video on how I pluck my wigs and frontals, just let me know in the comments and I will go buy a frontal just to make a video for y'all, because I love y'all that much. Okay, and don't be talking about my forehead. I know I got a big forehead and I hide it all up on this frontal. So yeah. When applying my glue, I always use 3 layers. You can use more if you want, but I always use 3. I think that 3 is okay. You always want to wait for the glue to dry clear. Please wait for the glue to dry clear. I be seeing videos and people, they put the glue on just like how I'm doing and then they just slap the wig on. No, please wait for your glue to dry clear like this, and then you apply your next layer, and then your next layer, and then however many more layers you want, but I usually do 3 layers. Okay, so now what I always do is after cutting my lace, I usually take some glue on a rat tail or something and I apply it under the excess lace that didn't get any glue when I placed the frontal down. You basically doing the same method. You applying 3 layers, waiting for it to turn clear, and then you putting the lace down. Okay, so usually I get an elastic band and wrap it around my hair. But first, you want to make sure your hair is completely dry before doing that step. This is another cool trick that I like to do. I like to, when I'm done blow drying, I spray some Got to Be Free spray. You can find it at your local beauty supply store. They be in Walmart, Walgreens, all that stuff. But you want to make sure your lace is dry before spraying it. And you want to do piece by piece. Like, don't spray the whole hairline and then try to do this step. And like I said earlier, make sure that it is completely dry before even trying this step, else you're gonna be looking like me with your fingers getting stuck. Okay, so my elastic band was way too short for me to tie it, so I just had to sit there like a dummy and just hold it until I felt like it was dry, which wasn't too long because I eventually got tired of holding it. But you want to make sure you get a long enough elastic band for that step. Okay, for those who don't know what I'm doing, all I'm doing is plucking my part because I like to have a nice clean part. Like, I need it to be like squeaky clean. So I always pluck my parts, and that little patch is really bothering me right now. But we're gonna get into that. We're gonna get into that in a minute. Okay, and those 3 things are the only things you need when doing your baby hairs. Well, those are the only 3 things that I need when doing my baby hairs. If y'all use something different, that's fine too. But I always like to use the foam on my baby hairs, and I usually always part them out like piece by piece, baby hair by baby hair. Some people usually like part the whole front section out and then cut it, but that doesn't always work for me, so I just do what I do. You feel me? If you don't have a wax stick, honey, and a hot comb, you need to invest in those 2 items because they make magic together. Like, look at it. Like, just look at it. I don't even gotta talk. Just let the hot comb and the wax stick talk for itself, really. Okay, so when doing this part, try not to put too much foam. Try to move as quickly as you can and be gentle. Like when doing the baby hairs, be really gentle and move super quick. Okay, so this is the end of this video, y'all. I was gonna curl my hair, but I ended up just straightening it because it's super late. Like, it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. But y'all, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all, I'm too hyped. Y'all wanna know where I got this frontal from? Y'all won't even believe, because I don't even believe. But oh, what's in my eye? But yeah, I got this frontal from the hair store, y'all. Like, they got better frontals than what these females be selling out here on the streets. But this is a HD frontal from the hair store. That's the only lace I would actually recommend from the hair store, because I done dealt with so many people bringing me like different laces. Like, some be like, ooh, like Amazon, like they get them from other people, and then some that bring them from the hair store, they be so garbage, y'all. Like, they be so garbage. So I used to tell my clients, like, don't get no lace from the hair store, because you're not gonna get the same results. But update, you can get a lace from the hair store, just as long as it's HD. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all, it look like Arrogant Tay done did my hair or something. Like, whoa, hold on now. Like, let me get into detail for y'all. And I did my own makeup too. And these lashes are from my collection. Y'all, I'm so geeked right now. Like, my hair is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I don't know, but I don't know if it's the frontal or if I just done got better overnight, because this look too good. Like, y'all, this wig looks so much better from when I first started. I done lost what I was gonna say. But okay, y'all see, I'm about to put a picture of the wig, like the before, like somewhere right here or something. But then compared to now, y'all, I did such an amazing job. Like, I can't wait to curl it. I know it's gonna be this long. I thought it stopped like right here, cause this is my 3rd time wearing this wig. As y'all can see, I had replaced the frontal, and this wig just went through a whole lot of surgery. But I'm geeked, like, cause they might mess up when I'm sleeping. But I don't really liking that harsh look. I know y'all probably talked about my nails this whole video, and I don't care. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be posting this really soon. If I edit it tonight, probably not tonight. If I edit it tomorrow, I will be posting it by the weekend. What's today? It is, I don't even know what day it is. I think it's like Wednesday or something. But yeah, I'm gonna be posting 2 videos actually, because this whole process was way too long for just 1 video. So y'all gonna get 2 videos, a 2-for-1 special, honey. Now it's tea. Bitch, y'all can't tell me shit, cause it's just like wet lace, bro. Like, where is it? Where the fuck is my lace? But I don't know. I don't see it nowhere. Hello. But no, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, which I'm pretty sure you should, because the outcome of this was, just look at it, like what are you saying, compared to how this wig looked before. But like this video, comment on what other videos y'all want to see. I plucked my frontal off camera. If y'all want me to do a video on how I pluck or customize my frontals, just let me know in the comments, and I got y'all. But comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys next time. Hey y'all, so it's another day. As you can see, different shirt, different hair, lace still laid. I redid my makeup before coming on here, but your girl beat, period. Oh, and you can use a bigger comb. I'm just using this small comb because this is what was in my face right at this very moment. But yeah, you definitely can use a wide tooth comb or any bigger type of comb, or you can use your fingers, or you can use a small comb. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you. But yes, so this is the finished look. should stay like this though. And that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. And let me know what y'all want to see, like what you want the girl to bring, cause y'all see I'm back to bed with it. I need to stay consistent. Bitch, I am not consistent at all, but we about to work on it. We finna work on it. That's what we finna work on. So, yes. But yeah, that's it. This all, and I'm out.
Do makeup and all. She do hair, she lashes, all kind of shit. Hope you can keep it real.